Algorithms analyze data from various manufacturing stages to identify potential issues and optimize processes. This leads to vehicles that are not only well-crafted, but also more reliable and durable. Of course, we can't overlook Rivian's commitment to sustainability, particularly in their use of recycled materials. The company incorporates these materials into its vehicle designs wherever possible. From reclaimed plastics for interior components to repurposed metals for chassis and body parts, Rivian's approach reduces waste and the need for raw materials, further minimizing its environmental impact. To sum it up, Rivian Automotive is a shining example of how AI and sustainability can align to create a more efficient and environmentally friendly automotive industry. The company's use of artificial intelligence in its operations, coupled with its commitment to using recycled materials, is truly a game changer. Rivian's approach illustrates how AI and sustainability can come together to revolutionize an industry, but what does this mean for the future of automobiles? From Rivian's case study, we can glean several key points about the role of AI and sustainability in the future of the automobile industry. First, artificial intelligence, or AI, is crucial in optimizing energy use and enhancing the quality of products. It allows manufacturers to streamline processes, reduce waste, and create vehicles that are not only more efficient, but also more reliable. Second, the use of recycled materials is becoming an integral part of sustainable automobile manufacturing. By repurposing materials that would otherwise end up in landfills, we can create cars that are not only stylish and high-performing, but also environmentally friendly. And finally, these trends are shaping the future of the industry. They're pushing manufacturers to innovate, to think outside the box, and to prioritize sustainability alongside performance and design. As we look to the future, it is clear that the intersection of AI and sustainability will continue to drive innovation and progress in the automobile industry. So next time you see a car, think about what went into making it. It's not just metal and rubber, but a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to a sustainable future.